if your access toolbar is not showing in Excel, so how you can fix the problem? So here you can see that I have no access toolbar over here. So first, on the top left side, you will see that there is a save icon. Right click on that and click on the show quick access toolbar. And now here is the access toolbar is showing, but there is no icon in that access toolbar. So how you can add? For this, you need to right click and go to the more command, and over in the Excel option you will see that there is a quick access toolbar. Click on that, and on the right side you will see that there is no item in this quick access toolbar. For example, if I use the cut icon frequently, then I'll add it to the quick access toolbar, and now it is added in the quick access toolbar. And similarly, you can add multiple items which you are using frequently. So I added 5 these icon, and then head to the click OK. And now here you can see that there is the quick Excel toolbar is showing. Another way is that for example, you often use find and select. So here you just need to right click and click on the add to quick access toolbar, and now find button is showing in the access toolbar. So this way you can easily fix your problem, and I hope you understand how it works. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.